Have you ever been curious about what's inside those crunchy Kur Kure packets? Well, today we're here to solve the gas-filled snack mystery. When you grab a packet of Kur Kure and open it, you might notice that it feels a bit puffy. That's because these packets are filled with a special gas, nitrogen gas, to be precise. Now, you might be wondering, why nitrogen? Well, nitrogen is an inert gas, which means it doesn't react with the food. This incredible feature helps keep Kur Kure fresh by preventing oxidation, which can lead to spoilage. So thanks to the nitrogen, you can indulge in the scrumptious taste of Kur Kure without worrying about it going bad. But that's not all. Nitrogen also plays another crucial role. It creates a protective cushion within the packet, ensuring that those crispy and delightful snacks stay intact during shipping. So when you finally get your hands on a packet, you can be sure that every bite will be just as crispy and satisfying as you expect. So next time you crack open a packet of Kur Kure, remember that it's not just about the incredible flavor. It's also about the clever use of nitrogen gas that keeps these snacks fresh and delicious. If you enjoyed learning about this exciting snack mystery, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tasty insights, because there's always more to discover when it comes to the world of food.